in a world of corruption. One pup stands for what is right, what is true, what is totally awesome. Top dog! What do you think? I made it myself. These paws can create worlds.
I love it. The rat burglar looks like Ratsky.
You noticed? I must be getting good. I've been drawing non-stop.
Top dog should have been flop dog. Oh, Ratsky's gonna be so mad!
Top dog is top secret. Give it back. Whoa! Sir, that's not you. Like I could capture that handsome face.
I am handsome, aren't I? Don't butter me up. Let's talk detention.
Mr. Ratsky, Mr. Ratsky, pack your red pen. We have tickets for Rulestock.
Rulestock! 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 Rulestock!
Woohoo! Rulestock! What's Rulestock?
Rulestock is for teachers to learn more school rules and regulations.
A very special teacher away day.
I'll need to make my special emergency recording for while we're away.
You're leaving the building? But that means a day with no teachers! The teachers are leaving for a whole day. This school is ours.
Woohoo! Let's get ready to party!
Hey, flop dog. With the teachers gone, I'm in charge.
Don't talk kitty litter. No one's in charge. What's the saying? When the cat's away, the, little cats and the dog will play. I, Flix Crawl, claim this school in the name of fun and freedom! Nothing can ruin this for us.
I'm Mrs. Kroll, the new substitute teacher. You can call me Colza, except Flix. He can call me Mum or Mummy. Oh, not that he calls me Mummy anymore. Isn't that right, my little popcorn?
Mom, get off!
Now then, class. Mr. Ratsky has given me specific instructions. So, let's start with his favorite lesson, the complete history of cats and maths.
I thought you said nothing could ruin this for us.
Pinch me, wake me up. I'm dreaming, right? This is a nightmare.
At least the embarrassing introductions are over.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
But Flix, it's your mum. This should be fine.
This is not fine.
Only 15 laps left. Keep it up.
Can't run any more.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. Please don't tell your mommy, Popcorn. What happened to our day without teachers? Fun and freedom?
He's right. Today has been rough.
But Colza is normally so cool when she isn't our teacher. Remember when she let us surf mattresses down the stairs?
And taught us to unicycle.
We can still have our day without teachers. We just have to unlock the regular fun, Colza.
And let me guess, you've got an idea.
And just in time for lunch break.
You will behave. You will behave. You will behave? Behave!
What are you doing?
No! Didn't see you there. I was practicing my teacher voice. Every teacher needs a commanding voice or kitties become uncontrollable beasts.
That book is worse than Ratsky's ratty rules.
Ratsky's ratty rules?
He didn't tell you. Then let me show you. If you're wondering why there's no art on the walls, it's because Ratsky banned painting. He also threw my comic in the bin. Said it was rubbish. Yup, he just hates kids expressing themselves.
I had no idea he was so strict. What's wrong, Tabby?
She tried to write a poem, and
I've forgotten how to do it. All we do in school is maths.
You've got to help us, Mum. The Ratsky Ratty rules have ruined us. We need to have our horizons broadened and our minds expanded. It's okay. I spoke to Mum. Tulsa. Things should start to change around here.
Oh, they're gonna change, all right.
Okay, class, settle down. I need everyone's attention. Open your books. Paper planes for everyone. Go on.
Wow.
I can't rip a book. I love books.
Come on, Tabs. Let's make this class fly by.
I want everyone to express themselves. Discover your unique meow. Have a little fun.
Time to raise the ruffle. I call this Mount Freedom. Wait, where's that sneaking off to?
I claim this mountain and this whole school in the name of Burma Fang. That's me.
You're not the king of school.
I told you, I'm in charge, Popcorn.
Burma saw a power vacuum and took advantage. Classic move.
We gotta fix this. He set up his own kingdom in our classroom.
should we tell Colza?
It's against the kitten code to tattletale. There must be another way.
It's a cat apocalypse!
Oh my whiskers.
This is all my fault. Maybe a rule-free school without any teachers isn't such a good idea.
Oh, what's with the bow and arrows? Ow! Not so rough. Flix, my precious, I think I'm in a play of some sort.
We're taking you to King Burma.
Sounds suitably dramatic. Righto. I'll see you in the classroom.
No one catnaps my mum, especially Burma.
King Burma, this is a really convincing rehearsal. But can I go now? I've got lesson plans to turn into paper planes.
Silence! You are my prisoner now.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but we need Ratsky back.
We do need a teacher, just not Ratsky.
Seize him!
Ah!
Popcorn!
Mum, Ratsky's ratty rules don't exist. I made them up so you'd let us have fun.
What? Flix Tommy Crawl!
So this isn't a play at all. You've got to regain control.
Ratsky told me to press this if things got hairy.
Let's hit it, Mum.
Teaching emergency! Teaching emergency! All children must be seated at their desks in 10 seconds, or else it's detention for the year! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not make me come down there. Now, where's the off button?
Everyone ready? Open your books. Substitute Colza is ready to teach.
In a school full of rules and regulations, one cat and her dog's sidekick, Popcorn, stands for what is right, what is true, what is totally pawsome. And that cat is Super Sub.